Hello, this is Sarah Brown, a Senior Comprehensive Planner at Serpent. During the Master Plan Virtual Workshop, you will have the opportunity to participate in this online mapping exercise. We are now on the Virtual Workshop page. I am using Rainhams as an example. You will want to scroll down to the sub-navigation menu and click the Points of Interest Mapping Exercise link. This will bring you to the section where the mapping exercise lives. There is a brief description of the exercise and how to access it. To open the exercise, click on the map and a new tab will open. The mapping exercise will open to your town or city. Here we are showing the town of Rainham as an example. Here are some helpful tips for using the mapping exercise. If you need to zoom in or out, you can use the scroll wheel on your mouse or the plus or minus buttons in the top left corner. To move the map around, click on the map and drag. On the top banner, you can click the About and Help button to view the legend, reopen this video, or contact the project team. For this exercise, you can create your own point and comment on an existing point, or do both. First, we will show you how to create your own point and comment. You will start by clicking the word Points on the banner at the top of the page. A pop-up menu will open with a list of categories to choose from. Click on the category that best represents your comment. After selecting your point type, your cursor turns into a crosshair. When you find the location for your comment, click on that location and your point will be placed. A pop-up box will open showing your category type and a comment box. Type your comment into the comment box. Then hit Submit. If you click on a location by accident and place a point, simply hit Cancel and the point will be removed. We will now show you how to add comments to an existing point. Here we are using the town of Mattapoisett as an example. To view comments already on the map, hover over the point and you can read the existing comment. To place a comment on an existing point, click on the point you wish to add to. And you can select an autofill option of I agree or I disagree, or simply leave a comment in the box. Once you are finished, hit Add Comment and your comment will show below the comment box. These comments are visible to all visitors, so we ask that your comments are thoughtful and respectful. Feel free to create and comment on as many points as you would like. The exercise is complete when you feel that you have placed all the points and have commented on all the existing points you wish to. You can come back at any point during the Master Plan Virtual Workshop and add more points or comment on existing points. To exit the exercise and return to the Master Plan main page, please click on Return to Main Page on the banner at the top of the page, or simply close the tab to exit. Thank you for participating in the Master Plan Virtual Workshop mapping exercise.